Hey guys, God, this is gonna suck so bad to film. I just wanted to make a quick video. I don't know how quick it's gonna be, but I wanted to make a video kind of letting you guys know what is currently going on. Basically, my worst fear, my biggest nightmare happened to me yesterday. It is the 23rd of April that I'm filming this, and all of this started yesterday on the 22nd. Long story short, I'm gonna get into it, but basically I no longer make money on YouTube anymore, and I don't know why. Yesterday, the 22nd, I was getting ready for work, and typically when you do YouTube, typically around between like the 20th to the 25th is like around the time that YouTubers get paid. And if you don't know how we get paid, basically we get paid through Google AdSense. So every month between like the 20th and the 25th is when we usually get paid. And I realized yesterday that it was the 22nd, and I was like, oh, like I haven't gotten, paid yet or whatever. So I went upstairs to my computer and I went to check my AdSense account. And when I did that, it said that my account did not exist, or that there was not an account associated with my email, which is not true because I have had the same AdSense account since I started making money off of YouTube back in like 2013. I've been doing YouTube full-time well, not full-time, but as a job for like about the last 8 years. I started my channel in 2010. I started taking YouTube seriously in 2012, and in 2013 is when I became a part of the YouTube Partner Program, and that's when I started my AdSense. And I would make like just little bits of money here and there, and then as I continued to work on my channel, and I started uploading consistently, and I started gaining a following. I started making more money, not exuberant amounts of money or anything, nothing like that crazy, but definitely a pretty substantial amount of money. So basically, because I do work a job outside of YouTube, and YouTube is about 80% of my income, and the 20% is my job. So YouTube is a pretty big part of my life. It is a job for me. It was a pretty, good income for me, basically. Never had issues with YouTube or AdSense before. I've never received a copyright strike. I've never, violated any community guidelines with YouTube or AdSense. I never got any emails from anybody explaining to me what was going on. I basically just lost my AdSense account. It literally just went poof, gone out of nowhere. And I didn't get paid, obviously. And I still cannot access my AdSense account, and monetization and the YouTube Partner Program and my AdSense account has been fully taken away from me with absolute no explanation. Nobody can help me. Nobody can explain to me what is going on. Of course, it's the same, oh, do the login troubleshooter, did all that, clear your cache and cookies, I did all that, change your password, I did all that, and I still can't access my AdSense account, and I'm no longer a part of the YouTube Partner Program. That really sucks. To love something so much, and for doing something like this for as long as I've been doing it, and then to have it basically taken away, it really sucks. Really sucks. And you guys know that, I do YouTube. I do it because I love it. Like, literally, in a video that I did recently, I told you guys that I don't know who I am without YouTube. I'm not asking for pity, okay? I'm crying because it hurts to not have any explanation as to what happened. Nobody can help me or explain to me why this is happening. at all. I reached out to YouTube on Twitter and they set me up with like a chat to talk to someone at YouTube to see if I can try to get some help. And that didn't really go well. Basically, I have to start over with everything. So since I couldn't access my AdSense account, I had to make a new one. Okay, easy enough, right? I make a new one, I link it to my YouTube to try to get it approved, and they come back and tell me that I didn't get approved because I already have an existing AdSense account and I can't have another one with the same name. But the thing is, you guys, I can't access my old AdSense account. I can't find it. I can't log into it. I don't know where it is. When I was talking to the people on chat, they said, oh yeah, like, we see your old AdSense account. And I said, oh my God, that's great. Like, can you please help me get into it? I can't get into it. Like, it won't let me log in. And they said, no, we can't, because we can't give out personal information with that AdSense account. And I said, but it's mine. It's my information. It's my money. Why can't you help me get into it? And they said, sorry, like, we can't help you. You have to get into it. And I can't. So I can't even make a new AdSense account. And the reason why I'm crying is because I'm just so frustrated that no one can explain to me why my AdSense account just disappeared. Like, where did it go? And why can no one help me? This is the thing about YouTube. It is not reliable income. Like, people who just rely on YouTube income are taking such a big risk. Such a big risk, because I never in a million years thought that it would just disappear for me. Just gone. But it did. And thankfully, God bless, thankfully, I do work a job, a regular job. But YouTube was about 80% of my income. YouTube is still very important to me, okay? Like, I still want to do YouTube, but here's the thing, is because I lost YouTube as a job, like, I don't make money from it anymore, which I don't know why. Don't know why. I have to work more hours at my regular job to compensate for what I lost, which means I can't do YouTube as much as I was doing, which breaks my heart because I loved it. And like I said, no one has reached out to me to help me. No one can explain why I can't get into my AdSense account, why I can't create a new one. Like, this is the only issue I'm having, is just with AdSense right now. Like, YouTube said, yeah, you meet the qualifications for monetization, you meet the qualifications for the partner program, but I can't find my AdSense account. It just disappeared. And I'm really hurt, you guys, because I love doing this. I've been doing it for basically my entire adult life. Just basically lost it all, and I don't know how to fix it. Like, I don't even have a clue how to fix it, because I've tried everything you can think of. I've tried everything. YouTube there really isn't anybody you can talk to. You're really just kind of on your own. You can't just talk to AdSense directly. I don't know why you can't, but you can't. I wanted to make this video to let you guys know what is going on, and that there is going to be a break in my YouTube uploads, which I hate. I love uploading. I've been uploading every 3 days. Sometimes, like, back when I started my channel, I was uploading every other day. Like, I was constantly doing YouTube. And it's not even about the money. It's about the fact that I have to stop doing what I love because I have to find other ways to support myself financially. I have never lived on my own without YouTube. So since I lost a good portion of my income, I've spent last night and today basically canceling my cable, all my streaming services, pretty much everything that I can think of to kind of save money, because I can't afford things like I used to anymore, and it's gonna be extremely rough. You know, I'm picking up more hours at work, which is great. In today's economy, it's impossible to live on your own and support yourself on one income. You know, I've always had more than one job and I was always comfortable. Rich? No. Comfortable? Yes. With working a job and doing YouTube, I was very comfortable. I would film on my days off and I would edit at night and I would upload every 3 to 4 days, every other day, every 2 days. And it's what I knew and it's what I loved and it's what I was good at. And now it's gone. So the only way basically I would be able to, you know, do YouTube as much as I have been doing it is by doing sponsorships. But you guys know I don't do those very often, so that's just not realistic. So basically, if and when I can figure out what the hell is going on and if somebody will please help me, there is going to be a break from my YouTube channel for a while. I know, honey. Is it what I wanted? Not at all. Not at all what I wanted to do, but it's what I have to do to try to get this figured out. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't have a clue, but it's so scary. It's so scary to like be doing something like this for so long and then to all of a sudden just have it gone. Like that's scary. Long story short, I don't make money from YouTube anymore. Therefore, I can't do YouTube as often as I was doing it because I need to work to support myself and my animals, which is going to be very rough. Very, very rough. Things are going to be very, very tight. And like I said, I'm not asking for pity. I'm not asking for money. I'm just saying that people who just rely on AdSense money to support themselves, like, that blows my mind. Because you never know when it can just disappear and just be gone. And then you're fucked, right? I'm fucked. This happened yesterday morning, so it hasn't even been 2 full days that I've been dealing with this, and I've already been on top of things like, you know, working more hours at work, babysitting, puppy sitting, like anything I can do to try to make money, to try to cover my ass. Will I ever make YouTube money again? I don't know. I don't know. Right now it's not looking so great. Which I don't know what that means for the future of my channel, because in order to support myself, I have to go to work, and I'm gonna go to work. And if I'm at work all the time, then I don't have enough time to do YouTube, basically, is what I'm trying to say here. But I thought I owed you guys an explanation as to what was going on. I'm sorry, I literally look like I just came out of a dumpster because I've just been so stressed. I'm so physically sick at what's happening to me right now. I don't know why it's happening to me. Apparently this has never happened to anyone else before. I am the first, and go figure, it would happen to me. I want to say I'm okay, but I'm not right now, but I will be. I do believe in God, and I do believe that God never puts us in situations that we can't handle. So even though I feel like I can't handle this right now, obviously I can, because it's just what was dealt to me. I'm not sad. I'm not crying because I missed out on money. That's not why I'm crying. YouTube has been like my best friend. Something I've always known how to do, something I've been doing for so long, and it literally feels like I just lost a best friend. God, I really hope this makes sense. I really hope I'm just not looking like a total jackass right now. I always fucking hate when YouTubers cry on camera, so I hate that I'm crying right now, but God, does this hurt. It hurts so bad. So this isn't goodbye, but it is, you know, goodbye for right now. I don't know how long, but I just need to figure this out and try to, you know, see what I can do, because, and I've been doing this all on my own, okay? Like, I don't have assistants, I don't have managers, I don't have, you know, an MCN that can help me. It's just me, and I feel like I'm taking on, like, a fucking army right now by myself, and I don't know what else to do. So, I just need to, just kind of take a break. I don't know for how long. I just need to get this figured out right now, so. But I thought I owed you guys an explanation, because I've gotten to know a lot of you so well. Like, I feel like we're friends. Like, you guys aren't subscribers, you're not fans, you know, you're my friends. And I just wanted to let you know what was going on, because there probably won't be another new video for a while. I'm just gonna keep fighting and hope for the best, but for right now I just need to get this done, get it handled, and try to figure out like what I'm gonna do. So I love you guys a lot. It's really complicated, and it probably doesn't make sense to a lot of you guys right now, but just know that it sucks really bad. So I'm going to try to figure this out, and when I do, I will keep you guys updated. But for now, I'm gonna get off here because I have to go to sleep, because I gotta go to work tomorrow, so I need to get some rest. But I love you guys, and I'll talk to you later.